ICP holders, this one is specifically for you. What we are about to witness in the next coming few days is going to blow you out of the waters. Right now, it really seems dark, gloomy, and the price has obviously been dropping. Today, we've had an 8.6% price reduction. The past 7 days have been crazy, 20% price drop. The past 14 days around 9%, and the past 30 days have been absolutely explosive because we experienced a very good price pump. So if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, right, please take a look at my previous episodes because I gave you a heads up when the price of ICP was literally trading above $6.40. So if you listen to me, you would have saved a whole lot of money. Anyhow, now that you guys know better, you understand that you need to turn on post notifications because everything that I talk about is really going to make you a whole lot of money or it's going to save you a whole lot of money. So now let's take a look at this. First of all, before we jump into today's scenario, I really love looking at the past because the past holds a lot of significant method or rather data, which is very important for us. One thing that we have to understand about this rally is due to the fact that, if we take a look at what happened previously, right? This particular push towards the upside is a very significant one, and it signifies a very triumphant period where we were just sort of having a downtrend. So technically speaking, we've been having a downtrend since the 2nd of December 2024, and we finally hit our capitulation point, and all of a sudden the markets reversed and we officially printed our higher high, well, in comparison to this one. Okay, so this is a very bullish method and this is a very bullish outcome, and it's a bullish scenario in general. So what I'm trying to say is, look, wherever we are going to end up going to, okay, we are definitely in a far better off situation, and what's going to happen probably the whole of next year is going to be bullish. So these particular low prices that you're seeing, they're not going to last forever because technically speaking, this is the first official bullish wave, if I can put it that way. So this could be an like a corrective pattern according to Elliott wave, but it's very premature for us to like decide whether that was just like a corrective wave pattern or it's the beginning of a new motive wave, especially towards the upside. And I'm leaning towards the latter. I'm leaning towards a bullish continuation. However, before that happens, we definitely have to retest a few levels. And to be honest with you, ICP has been one of the best, performing altcoins, and it has really kept its composure. Even though right now it's beginning to crack, this is obviously something that is expected. So worst case scenario, and the levels that we were plotting. So remember the last time we talked about the price going to about $4.15. So we're pretty close. Personally, I really believe that these levels right over here are definitely going to be very, very crucial. So us dropping all the way down to, $4.36 is definitely going to be a very good stopping point before we can decide whether we've got enough momentum or not. So in short, I expect the price to really have decent support between $4 $4.30 all the way down to around $3.75. So this level is going to be very crucial, and honestly speaking, it's been holding up very well. Worst case scenario would be us going back down to $3.15. Okay, if we go to $3.15, technically speaking, there's nothing wrong with that. It doesn't really mean that the uptrend has been cancelled, we are still well within the premises of us continuing towards the upside. So worst case scenario is if the price hits these order blocks right over here. If the price drops to $3.13 and eventually starts sort of having some strong momentum coming through and eventually blasting towards the upside, that is perfectly fine. What we do not want to see is the price consecutively trading below $2.81. So as long as we are above $3.15, it means we still stand a chance of the price of ICP going to like $10, $20, $50, and so on and so forth. So right now, all you have to understand is $4.16 right over here is a crucial level that we shouldn't breach. Even if we end up breaching this particular level, it's okay. The ultimate level we shouldn't cross or go below is these levels. $3.15 is a level we do not want to see the price reverse to. If it reverses and closes below it, just forget about the bull run anytime soon. We could have prolonged downtrend, and this particular trading action could have just been like a blip in in retrospect, and we're going to have a continuation towards the downside. So moral of the story, in conclusion and in summary, look forward to the price going to around $4.13. If we hold that level, well and good. If we begin having more momentum, we have a strong chance of pushing towards the upside. Alternative scenario number 2 is we end up going to around $3.15 and then finding support and then continuing towards the upside. So these two scenarios are very bullish. The bearish scenario is us dropping below $3.15, coming back up and getting rejected at $3.15, and then dropping towards the downside. Then that particular scenario will definitely play out, and we're going to see a continuation towards the downside. Let me know in the comment section below, which of the 3 scenarios do you think is likely to happen? And let me know how you enjoyed this particular move. When did you buy? And did you ride the wave? Especially when the price of ICP pumped from around $2.76 all the way close to about $10. What was your profit, if I can put it that way? How much money did you make off of this recent rally? And what is your price prediction? All the comments in the comment section below. Talk to you later, and subscribe, hit the bell button, and all that good stuff.